In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the bearish flag chart pattern, quick and easy. We'll be doing this inside Tradingview, and I'll walk you through the whole process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. Even if you're fairly new to charting, don't worry, I'll keep everything simple and clear. First, make sure you have your chart open in Tradingview with the market and time frame you want to analyze. Once you're on the main charting screen, look for the indicators button near the top. This is where Tradingview keeps all its built-in tools, scripts and patterns. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that panel pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. Instead of scrolling through a long list, we're going to use the search function to find exactly what we need. Click in the search bar and type the word flag. As you type, Tradingview will start filtering the results below based on what you entered. You should now see several options related to flag patterns. What we're specifically looking for is the bearish flag chart pattern. This is a pattern traders often use to spot potential continuation moves to the downside after a strong drop in price, followed by a short consolidation that looks like a flag. Once you see bearish flag chart pattern in the list of results, click on it. The moment you select it, Tradingview will automatically add it to your chart. Depending on your layout, it may start scanning your data and highlighting areas where a bearish flag might be forming or may have formed in the past. If nothing appears right away, try zooming out a bit or checking another section of the chart where there was a strong downward move followed by a small upward or sideways consolidation. At this point, you can customize how the pattern looks on your chart if Tradingview offers style settings for it. You might want to adjust the colors, line thickness, or labels so the pattern is easy to see alongside your other indicators. Finally, if you want to unlock more chart layouts, extra indicators, and better tools for pattern recognition, check out the Tradingview Pro link in the description. Using that affiliate link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it can give you a smoother, more powerful charting experience. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to quickly add the bearish flag chart pattern to your Tradingview charts.